Hi, in this video we will see how to create a new file and how to open the templates from the Excel and how to open the existing file or the file which we have created earlier. So first go to the tab menu or the Windows and click on the MS Office. Now here go to the Office button. At the left hand side at the top it is given as the Office button, and in Office button here it is given as new. Press on new. So here you can see the blank workbook, and here at the bottom or next to the blank and recent, here it is given as a template, install templates. So if we click let's select the sales report. Now you can open this report or the template by clicking on the create, or else you can press the twice the left key, so it will be open. So this is the installed template in the Excel sheet. And next go to the new, and also there are many online templates are available, such as analysis, annual book, budget, etc. So you can click and download that files. So coming on to the coming on to the new, or we can say how to open the file that has been saved in our desktop or PC. So just click on open, and go to the location where you have saved your document or Excel workbook. But in my case I have saved my workbook over here, so click on that Excel and click on open. So here is the work which I have been done. So this how you can open the file, or you can choose the file from your PC. Now next, for saving, you can click save over here from the button, Office button, or you can use the shortcut as Control S, or you can save with the other formats too. Now, so this was the how this in this video we have seen how to create a new file, and the existing file we can open, and also we can use the templates. So thank you, thanks for watching.